What's up, guys? Joey here. Just want to do a little bit of a day trading recap and show you the trades I took today. I went 0-2 today, sadly. I actually had two really good setups. So even though I lost $780 between those two trades, I'm not that upset because I did have two really good setups, and I'm going to explain them here, and I'm going to explain to you what I saw. So during the pre-market, we were sort of hitting a little bit bearish. Market open at 9:30 a.m. I am on the 1 minute time frame. I have a line right here and a line right here. That is like the highs and the lows of the first 15-minute candlestick. How, like I've talked about in the past week about how I'm sort of trying out this new strategy called a 15-minute open range strategy. So basically, we went on this really nice rally the moment the market opened. We had a report at 9:45 and 10 a.m. So I decided to wait till around 9:45 to get into a trade. So this was my first trade. So we we got rejected right here. We pulled back a little bit and we tried to hit higher highs. And as you can see, we got rejected. We closed at the same level right here. So when we started to pull back, and we try to hit a lower high, I was like, I got a lot more confidence in going short, especially because we were pretty bearish during pre-market. So that's what I was originally going to wait for, was a break below the EMA. And honestly, if I could have done anything differently, I should have waited till we had a nice clean break below the EMA, not just a crack. And as you can see, the moment we cracked it, we pushed right back up, bounced off of it again, and continued hitting higher highs. And we actually broke that open range, that first 15-minute open range high. So yeah, that was my first trade. With the 50K account, I had a perfect setup. It stopped hitting higher highs. We also hit a lower high. So when we cracked the EMA, I went short thinking it was going to start selling off, but it just bounced off and continued hitting higher highs. Sometimes you have those fake outs and it happens. There's nothing I can really do. I journaled my trade. I definitely hope I hope you guys can see this. I journal all my trades, every single trade I do. I write down what led to my success or what led to my failure, what my mind was going through, my emotions. I try to be as transparent to myself as I am with you guys. But yeah. And then my second trade was with the same 50K account. We broke above the 15-minute open range, as you can see right here. So I got really confident in going long, and I did go long. But then, as you can tell, the moment we hit higher highs and we broke above, within, like, let's say we broke above it right here. So 1, 2, 3. Within 3 minutes of being broken above it, we pulled right back all the way down to the EMA. So yeah, the moment we broke above it, I went long on just one contract. And yeah, basically we broke above it, and Nasdaq pulled back to the resistance, which was like sort of like the new support. And I thought it was just going to act as a support, but it didn't, and it broke below, and then it just started hitting lower lows, as you can see. Traded sideways for a while, but yeah, just wanted to really break down my two trades I did today that lost me $780. I don't want you guys to think I'm happy in any way. I am upset, but most importantly, one, I was patient today. And that's like the biggest thing I've been working on this year, is building that patience, letting my trades come to me, letting that perfect setup. And, anyone who's been trading a while can tell you, sometimes patience is the hardest thing to do. But you know what? I had patience today. I had a really good setup on that first trade, and I had a really good setup on that second trade. And I had perfect. My margins were there, and I was very confident in both of them, honestly. So on one hand, this is a red day, but then on the other hand, I like, how much can you really consider it a red day when you did everything right? I did everything I could. I was patient. I waited for confirmation, and I had a good setup for both of the trades, not just one. One thing I did stop myself from doing today was overtrading. I did stop myself from overtrading, and I just told myself just to log off, be done. It is what it is. You live and you learn. I journaled my trades. I wrote down my thought process. what I could have done differently. And, I always got tomorrow. And yeah, so I currently have $424.54 left in my 50K express funded account through TopStep. So yeah, if you guys got any questions, please feel free to comment below, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hope you guys have a good day.